In today's video, we're doing this purple and teal makeup look. I really love the combination of teal and purple and thought it'd make a great makeup look. First, I'm taping off the edges of the eyes, then using the Rude Cosmetics Love palette for this dark teal shade, and putting it in the outer corners, going right along the edge of the tape, using the tape for a sharp, clean edge when we remove it. Then with the same palette, I'm using a lighter shade of teal to start blending out the darker teal and going more in the inner crease. Then using the light minty shade to blend out further towards the eyebrows. Then using that lighter shade of teal on the lid. Then using the Rude Cosmetics Passion palette for the purple shade and putting this on the inner corners. Then using the purple sparkle shade, which also has blue sparkles throughout, and putting this over the place where we put the purple before. Next, using the Blightmoon palette for this light green sparkle, and putting this on the middle of the eye, blending both into the teal and the purple. Then removing the tape, and using that same purple shade underneath the eyes. And a little bit of that purple above the inner corners. Then finishing the look with mascara and false lashes. And that completes this purple and teal makeup look. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.